Hi, it's Mrs. Frank. Time for math. Our lesson is 7.1, liquid volume. Now, most of the time when we've been talking about volume in class, we've been talking about how loud you've been talking or how quiet you are. Today, we're going to use volume in a different way. We're going to use volume as in measuring liquid in a container. So I have some containers to show you today. First one I want to show you is a container of olive oil from my kitchen. I don't know how many of you use olive oil at home. Your parents do. And when you're looking at the measurement for olive oil, you can look down on the bottom and there'll be some little numbers and letters. This one says 17 FL, which is fluid, OZ, which is ounces. A lot of the time you have heard ounces and gallons, cups, half gallon, pints, quarts. Those are the words we're most familiar with when we're talking about liquid measurement. Today, however, we're going to talk about milliliters and liters. This olive oil is 502 milliliters. So that's about half a liter. Milliliters are smaller than liters. Here's my shower stuff, and that is 946.4 milliliters. So because it's 946, it's almost 1,000, so it's almost 1 liter. When you get to 1,000, it changes to liters. Milliliters takes 1,000 of them to make 1 liter. My last container to show you is my unsweetened tea, and that is 1.53 liters. So that is bigger than this one. It's a whole liter and then half a liter more. I wonder how much I've drunk out of there. Almost halfway. Okay. So, as I said before, you're most familiar with cup, quart, gallon, half gallon. But today we're going to be talking about liters and milliliters. And what I want you to do is to go on the new app, Khan Academy, which you have not been on before. Your password was written on that permission form that your parents got in the bag. Please remind them to sign that and send me a picture of it so that you can use Khan Academy. When you go into Khan Academy, you're going to look for your class. You're going to put in your password, username and password. Your username is your name. Your password is Warriors #your_lunch_number. Now, they're going to show you a video, and then there will be other practice activities to do in answering word problems. So go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoy it. I kind of think it was an interesting website for us to be using. Also, your assignment today, you're going to get a Seesaw assignment, and it's called Selfie Science, and it has to do with finding things in your house that have liquid volume written on them. All of them will be liquids, obviously, and you're going to line them up in a row from the greatest to the least volume. You're going to label them, and you know label means write down how much is in each one, and then you're going to write about what you found. Just saying things to me like, I found that the containers that contain milk are bigger than the containers that contain olive oil. Or just talk about the products you're finding. Doesn't have to be milk. Doesn't have to be olive oil. You find out things in your house that you can use. Go ahead and read through the directions on Seesaw. There might be some things I forgot to mention or that I didn't say correctly, but go ahead and check that out and let me know if you have any questions. There's no math journal assignment today. I figured you have enough to do, but I do want you to do your extra math today. I haven't been seeing a lot of kids on that, maybe 1 or 2. So we need some more math fact practice. Okay, we'll talk to you later.